How do you view the role of globalization in the future of your company and supply chain, or to the future of business in general?
So, there's two aspects to it. There's the sales side, and then there's the supply management side. From a sales standpoint, 50% of our sales are based outside of North America, and even the sales that we have in North America, the balance 50%, I'd say 40% of those sales go on machines that are built in the United States that are then exported. So our business is an international business. The markets that we serve, probably, I'd say in total 70% of our sales go outside of North America. So when the world economy is good, life is good at Husco. On the off-highway side, our business grows because of the need for infrastructure. So when China's building infrastructure, when India's building infrastructure, when as other economies add infrastructure, our business does really well. So on the top line, our growth is global, and our focus is really outside of North America. On the supply side, again, we have really 25% of our sales are imported materials, and so, like I said, handling that material, leveraging it, preparing strategies to leverage it in terms of understanding cost structure, landed cost structure, understanding trends in foreign exchange, understanding the impact of duties, and doing the analysis to make sure that we're running an effective business model with this global spend is strategically very important to us right now.
I would probably echo a lot of the things that Bob already mentioned. I guess one point I'll maybe highlight. For Bob and I, who've been in manufacturing for a number of years, it used to be that you'd look to emerging countries because you thought you could procure things cheaper, and some of that still exists today, but material, manufacturing is taking raw material and converting it into a product, kind of a general definition. Material now has gotten to the point where it is about net the same regardless of where you are in the world, okay? But other things have become much more important. So logistics, the cost to get it from one point to another has become a very determining factor, where 10 or 15 years ago it wasn't what it used to be. So now globalization is actually changed a bit from the concept of making things in China and some of the emerging countries because it's more cost effective, to now trying to service markets globally. So if you're going to be in China or India, a lot of people go there not now to be servicing those markets. So the value of time to market has become very important. So people don't go to China or India any longer solely for the reason of I can get it cheaper. They go there to capitalize on the market growth in those countries. So you're going to see more and more manufacturing in all different parts of the world because it's going to be closer to the market. So globalization is just, it's part of doing business today. I mean, I guess you can choose not to be global, but then you limit your opportunity too.